Okay, scrappers, thanks for stopping by the channel. Without you guys, this would all be for nothing. Today, we got this ABP Digital, a mini mode chassis. She's got a classic chassis. Got this from the hotel, and I don't know what it does. If anybody here knows what this thing does, let me know in the comments below. Let's see if we can take her apart. Couple screws, tiny ones. Tiny screws. Alright, we gotta cut a bunch of these. A bunch of them zip ties off of there. Ugh, it's heavy as a lark. All right, we got a cord. We got ourselves a cord. I don't know what these things all do here, but I don't know how they come out of there. They look like they'd slide in and out, but I'm not sure. Oh, more bungee ties. Ugh. Come on. Hope your week's been going good for ya. It's Thursday night. Last Thursday I goofed off and I went to the Beach Boys concert we had here at the Leach Amphitheater in Oshkosh. Was a good time. They sounded just like they did back in the day, even though there was only one of the original guys there. He was 81, and he was rocking, boy. For 81, he was rocking it. All right, some more wires. Got a little ground wire going on here. Oh, let's see. What can we get out of this thing? Will this come out now? Looks to be the power supply, probably. Don't even think I'm gonna worry about taking that apart. That is an aluminum plate on there, though. I might take that off. Should we take the aluminum plate? All right, we'll take the aluminum plate. Maybe we won't. Maybe we... I don't know why them screws are just turning. Come on, get off of there. All this for a little aluminum plate. But it all adds up, right? That's what they always tell me on YouTube. It all adds up. Huh, I wonder why. I bet you there's nuts on the back of them. I bet you there's nuts on the back. It's gotta be nuts on the back of those. Can you see that? I bet you there's nuts on the back of them. Hopefully not on these though. I think that'll get us into the nuts. Cause we're all kind of nuts, aren't we? In our own little way, we're all nuts. Oh, it's holding the fan. She's holding the fan with the nuts. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a power supply board in there, but we can get a little wire off of it. Yeah. As long as we're in it now, we might as well take some wire too, right? After all, we like messing around with this stuff, right? Playing with tools and all that. More wires. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get down in there to hold them, and I can't find my needle nose. I had it at work the other day, but now it's missing. It's missing in action. Maybe we can break her out of there. Watch your eyes, crap might fly. Boy, those tight little screws are gonna, they really hold. Maybe I can get in there now though and hold it. Yes. I hope you can see that. How about that one? Can I get in that one? All right. Can you see what I'm doing here? I hope. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. One piece of aluminum plate right there. Goes in the aluminum bucket. This will go into the low grade board bucket. Low grade boards. Okay, now how do these babies come out of here? Am I gonna have to take all them screws out? Okay, this is the one we've been looking for. Okay, what are those made out of? Plastic? Can you believe they're plastic? They're plastic. All right, well, how do them come out of there? Screws are falling. Do we have to take these end plates off? Let's try taking the end plate off. There's the one we were looking for, right there. Made in Taiwan. Made in Taiwan. China doesn't like Taiwan. They want to take them over. All right, well, let's take this one off too, huh? Can't hurt any. This is the one we wanted. All right. So some are some pretty heavy steel brackets right there. All right, what do we got going on in here? Here's our wire. Here's the wire. The old grounding wire. Oh boy, oh boy. How did them come out of there? You don't think them screws down there are holding it in there? They don't appear to be. Oh, there we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Look at there. Don't know what all these are. They appear to have boards on them. I don't know how good of boards they are. We may have to look into inside of one of them to see if it's worth taking apart. Okay, so we got a bunch of shred. It looks like just steel. So yeah, we got all that steel. Got a bunch of screws. We got that. And we got these babies. Shall we try? I get worried when I see all these little soldering things on there, but let's just try one and see. That way you'll know if you ever have to do it. Might just be like a low-grade board in there, and if it is, then we'll just sell them as low-grade boards. But I don't know, what do you think of that, huh? Looks like it would be a bummer getting it out of there because everything's soldered to it. Let me know in the comments. Would you go any further with this, or would you just throw them into shred or low-grade boards, or what would you do? Let me know in the comments. That's plastic except for that little thing there. Alright, scrappers, thank you much for coming by the channel. Really like to see you guys here. Appreciate everything you do and making comments and subscribing and hitting that bell, and well, you know all the things. Yeah, thank you for that. We're getting close. We're getting close to be able to have a community page, which will be cool, because then those of you who have purchased some merch, who purchased some t-shirts that say, "Mind if I dig through your trash?" You could send me a photo of yourself in it, and I'd share it on our community page. So yeah, that's about all for this piece of fancy chassis she had. So until the next video, watch one of these that are on screen now.